Big businesses owning specific radio stations or companies have been an increasing dilemma in today's society. Since the mid-90s, free music has been slowly broken down to the point where the companies running the station completely dictate what is played on the radio, specifically concerning what will give them the most listeners or money. For my PSA, I chose to use the album artwork of Tom Petty, a rock musician revered for his leadership in pushing for freedom of expression in media throughout his life. Tom Petty was one of the most famous rock and roll artists to ever come out of the United States, and he is quite recognizable when it comes to both men and women from the baby boomers, those of Generation X and Y, millennials, and those of Generation Z. Too often it seems as though the youth of the United States are the only ones who can relate to progressive movements. I felt that having a recognizable, relatable face for all would be the best choice. As you can see on the bottom right of the photo, I left the title of the album, Damn the Torpedoes. This is because the album was already directed at his superiors in the music world, demanding he make the music they were telling him to make, which he clearly did not appreciate. On top, you can see a speech bubble with a quote from Petty from the song The Last DJ saying, "There goes your freedom of choice, there goes the last human voice, there goes the last DJ." This was probably one of the most direct yet generalized phrases that I believe would still get my point across. Below, I placed a few more words describing exactly what this PSA was for, hoping to make the message that much clearer. Altogether, I hope this would be a rather successful PSA for all ages and genders, because they can all equally relate to the artist Tom Petty, as his music is still played consistently today.